Quickly, I want to show you my personal way of getting real buyers for my domain name. Okay, so we'll be needing like 4 applications for this. The first application is Yandex browser. Okay, it's a browser, you can get it from Google Play Store. The second application is Boomerang. Okay, it's also an app for sending email address, so you can get this also from Google Play Store. The third app right here is Google Sheet. Is a Google alternative to Microsoft Excel, and the advantage of this Google Sheet is that once you save a file there, you can access it from anywhere as long as you are connected to the internet. So let's get started pretty fast. So I'm inside Yandex browser right now. Okay, and the first thing we need to do is we need to install some extension that will assist us in extracting email address from the website of our prospect. So I have the extension prepared here. Okay, I'll send the link to the group, so you can also install the extension. So far, Yandex browser is the only browser that allows you to install Google Chrome extension on your phone. This is only possible on laptop, but this Yandex make it possible. Okay. So to make navigation on this Yandex browser easy, you switch to desktop version. Okay. So we are in desktop mode right now, and you can see it bold and clear. So this is the first email extension we install. So I'll click add to Chrome, add the extension. So I think that has been downloaded. So I will install the second email extractor right here. It's also named email hunter, so it's kind of confusing if you don't have the direct link. So I'll send you the direct link to install this extension. So it's also bring a dialog. So you click on add extension. Okay, I think that has been added also. So we have our extension set up. So we are good to go right now. So I have a domain name right here. It's my personal domain name. We use that for experiments. So that's norfolkconstruction.com. Let's see. Let me show you the landing page. Can you see this? norfolkconstruction.com. The premium domain name Norfolk Construction is now available for sale. Instant brand recognition and project credibility start with a great name. Okay, that's the design for the landing page for this domain name. So we need to realize that we are targeting geodomain, which means domain name that targeting a geographical location. So in this particular scenario, we are targeting construction company in Norfolk. Okay, right here. So I type into Google Norfolk VA population. Norfolk is in Virginia. So I got this information from Google. So right here you can see that Norfolk has a population of 242,800. So it's a populous country, and it's a good selection. So the next thing right here is I will type in construction companies in Norfolk, VA. That's the shortened form of Virginia. Okay, let's wait and allow it to load. So you can see the search results right here. Best 30 construction company in Norfolk to review. Okay. So we can see the search results. So there are a lot of construction companies in Virginia. So I'll start with this Google map. You can see this construction company near Norfolk, Virginia. Okay. So I'll click on more places. So we are in the Google Map interface for Norfolk Construction Company. So as you can see right here, we are supposed to see a link to their website, but we are getting the call icon. So this is because we are in the okay. So I click on that so that it will show a link to their website. So this is Bayshore Home Solution. They are kitchen remodeler. Okay. Open a new tab. Network right here is kind of slow. Okay, you can see right here, Molia Group. The description below it's construction company. We have GFTECONCEPT Corporation. It's also a construction company. We have Master Contractor VA. The description is also a construction company. Compo Construction Company. So what we do right here is click on it. Okay. So to give us the full detail about this company, then we click on the website, open a new tab, go back, GFTECONCEPT Corporation, we click on website, open new tab. Okay, so we do that for each of these search results. This is faster on laptop. If you are using laptop, this is very fast. You just use control click, but I realize most of people are using mobile phone, so I'm recording this using my mobile phone, so I can get along with it. So let's check the first three websites we clicked on. It's still loading. The network is kind of slow. Okay, so we have one here that's open. So what we need to do right here is we'll use the extension to find the email address. So how do you locate the extension? Just click on this three button on the bottom right corner and it will show all the settings. So you scroll down, you see the extension here in the second to last row. So click on extension. You click on this email on tab with blue logo. Okay. So you can see the email right here is. So you apply your description here. The first email is incorrect. You're at email.com. You ignore that. You copy the second email. Okay. trying to copy this is kind of hanging, so I'll just type it straight into the Google Sheet. We are saving the email address in the Google Sheet. So I'm clicking on the plus button right here to create a new spreadsheet to save the email address. So you can just name it. The first table here, email address. Okay. So master contractor. Click on this more option, this three icon at the bottom right corner. It's more option, so you click on it, you scroll down, so right here you see extensions. Clicking on extension, you click on email hunter. So on this page there's no email address, so what do? We go further into their contacts. Okay, so in most cases they will input their email address in contacts. So you can see here they didn't input their email address in their home page, but they input it in their contacts us page. So we copy it, copy link text. Okay, copy that's the email address we need. I'll paste it down at mastercontractor.net. So this second email address also, I'll copy it. I'll paste it in the Google Sheet. So we have the email address for the first website. I'll close that. I'll move on to the next website. Okay. So this is moliagroup.com. They deal with construction in Norfolk, Virginia. So I'll do the same thing again. I'll go to the bottom right corner, click on the more option, then I click on extension, then I click on the email hunter. So it will list the email address on their page. So I don't know why this thing is kind of hard to copy on mobile phone. So I can I've seen the email address info@moliagroup.com. I'll just type it directly since it's not copying. So info@moliagroup.com. So that's just it on how to get the email address on the website of prospect. So we move on to this sending of the outbound mail. So this is Boomerang. The advantage of using this app is that you can track the email address. You can track the open rate of the email you send. So I'll click on plus button to try to send an outbound message. So in the to section here, I'll put in the email address of the prospect we've extracted. So we save that in the Google Sheet. So I'll copy one of it. Copy. I'll open the Yandex browser and I'll have it pasted. Okay, in the subject you have to use something catchy. You know, they receive a lot of email messages on a daily basis, so You have to send something that will grab their attention. I use something like opportunity, Norfolk construction.com. Okay, that's the subject. The sales letter, I have it prepared already. I'll just copy it from my notepad. Okay, I have the sales letter here. It is pasted. Hi there, I'm representing a domain name norfolkconstruction.com, which is perfect for marketing purpose, e.g. ECSEO, capturing additional traffic, reducing, okay, there's a spelling mistake here, advertising costs, and to web brand your website. Would you be interested in acquiring this SEO friendly name to boost your online presence? Okay, so that's it. So before you click on send button, you click on this little pin icon at the bottom right corner here. Okay, you click on read receipt, so it will show you if your email has been read. So I can click on send now or send later. So clicking on send, the message has been sent. Okay, so that's just simply the way I go about day to day to send my outbound message.